Hello guys and welcome to another video of French wine pronunciation. In today's video we are going to discuss about the Loire Valley, another important wine region of France. इससे पहले तीन वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया था बोर्डो, बर्गंडी एंड शैम्पेन, तीन इंपॉर्टेंट वाइन रीजन. इसके बाद में लुआ वैली you must know because it is very important considering your exams, very important considering your questions which might be asked in your interviews. So आइए देख लेते हैं. In the French wine map, in the French map, it is located towards the north side. Here we can see it is located on the north side and it is going towards the west, north center to north west. और north west में we have the Atlantic Ocean. ये हमने डिस्कस किया था बोर्डो के टाइम पे भी कि that here we have the Atlantic Ocean, so it is also bordering with the Atlantic Ocean. So Loire Valley नाम जो है वो पड़ा है लुआ रिवर की वजह से, because there is a Loire river in this valley which is starting from the center, north center of this area, and it is going towards the west side and falling into the Atlantic Ocean. So this Loire river is bordered with the vineyards. जहाँ जहाँ से ये Loire river गुजरती है वहाँ वहाँ पे vineyards इसमें located है, और इन vineyards को हम तीन different zones में divide कर सकते हैं. One is the upper Loire, second is the middle Loire, third is the lower Loire. Upper Loire, the triangles which you see here, it denotes the hilly area or the elevation is high, so it is on a higher elevation, Upper Loire, and then it is going down towards the middle Loire and going finally to the lower Loire, and finally this river is going to in the Atlantic Ocean. So there is a big variation, काफ़ी variation है climate में because of the elevation, latitude, or because of the factor that it is far from the ocean. So ocean के पास में जितना area है that has the maritime climate, so that means it has a moderate summer, moderate winter, not too hot summer, not too cold winters. So the region, this region is maritime climate. So the difference we will see in the grape quality. तो जो क्वालिटी की ग्रेप हम अपर लुआ में, जहाँ पे कॉन्टिनेंटल क्लाइमेट है, जहाँ पे हॉट समर है, विंटर में कोल्ड है, समर में हॉट है, वी विल गेट अ डिफरेंट वेराइटी ऑफ ग्रेप, and finally we will get a different wine. Other than the maritime climate where we have the moderate summer, moderate winter, we will get different quality of wine. That is why these regions are divided into different areas, and that is the reason why this region is so versatile. It gives different varieties of wine. तो अपर लुआ में अब हम इसमें एप्लीकेशंस देख लेते हैं, कौन कौन सी मेन एप्लीकेशंस हैं, उसके बाद में हम वाइन देखेंगे. तो किसी भी रीजन को पढ़ने के लिए, किसी भी एरिया को पढ़ने के लिए आपको सबसे पहले उसका जोग्राफिकल लोकेशन पता होना चाहिए, जीआई पता होना चाहिए. जीआई हमने देख लिया है कहाँ लोकेटेड है, फ्रांस में. इट इज़ टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ साइड, नॉर्थ सेंटर से शुरू होकर नॉर्थ वेस्ट तक ये जा रहा है. अब इसके अंदर सब रीजन्स क्या हैं, सब रीजन्स में हमने देख लिया है कि ये तीन अलग अलग एरियाज़ और जोन्स के अंदर डिवाइडेड है. अब इन जोन्स के अंदर कौन कौन सी एप्लीकेशन है, कौन सी फेमस एप्लीकेशंस है, which is worldwide known, okay, which you can see in the wine list. So we have on the upper Loire, we have the Sancerre and Puy-Fumé. This is the world famous, very very important, and you must know these appellations. The Sancerre and Puy-Fumé both are made from the Sauvignon Blanc grape. Sauvignon Blanc grape is the most prominent in the upper Loire. Then we go down to the middle Loire. We have the Anjou, Saumur and Touraine, which is the most important appellations, and the most prominent grape here we have the Chenin Blanc. So upper Loire we had the Sauvignon Blanc, middle Loire we have the Chenin Blanc. If we go down towards the lower Loire, we have the Muscadet. That is the appellation which is most important and most famous, and the wine which is made in this region or in this zone is from the Melon de Bourgogne. The grape is Melon de Bourgogne or simply known as Melon Blanc. Melon Blanc भी उसको बोल सकते हैं या Melon de Bourgogne grape भी उसको बोल सकते हैं, because it has come from Burgundy. That is why Melon de Bourgogne, Burgundy से लाए थे और यहाँ पे प्लांट किया था, and this grape has shown different characters and different style of wine. That is why it has got so famous. So these are the three zones, and in these zones we have, these are the appellations which is important for you to know. Now this region is also known as Garden of France. Loire Valley को हम Garden of France भी बोलते हैं, because there are so many orchards such as cherry, asparagus, artichoke, इन सब के काफ़ी सारे orchards हैं. Vineyards जो हैं वो located हैं near the river. The grapes I have discussed that there are three types of grapes mainly from the upper Loire. अगर हम देखेंगे तो Sauvignon Blanc, and middle Loire में we'll see that is the Chenin Blanc. और लोअर लुआ में वी हैव दी मेलन दी बर्गोनिए और मेलन ब्लां। तो आइए देख लेते हैं कुछ वाइन लेबल्स। वाइन लेबल्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड द वाइन्स, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ वाइन्स वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम द लुआ वैली। सो लुआ वैली की जो सबसे फेमस वाइन है दैट इज़ द सैंसिया। इन मोस्ट ऑफ द वाइन लिस्ट यू विल फाइंड दिस वाइन्स and it is important for you to understand this wine. So here the label which you see is the Sancerre, and on top it is written Domaine de la Porte. Domaine means vineyard, and de la Porte, this is the shipper or the producer. ये इनका फैमिली ऑन बिजनेस है, 17th सेंचुरी से ये वाइन बना रहे हैं. सो इट इज़ अ फैमिली ऑन बिजनेस, जनरेशन टू जनरेशन दे आर पासिंग ऑन देयर इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ वाइन मेकिंग टेक्निक्स. And at the bottom you see Lamont. Lamont is the means mountains. So as we had discussed, that is it is from the Upper Loire, and Upper Loire is a mountainous area. And at the bottom here it say vendage manual, means it is hand harvested. So they have picked up the grapes by hand, not by using machines. And on the hilly area we cannot use the machines, it is only hand harvesting which is practiced, and hand harvesting is quite expensive, quite laborsome. That is why the wines are expensive, but we get to pick up more premium grapes, that is why the wine becomes more premium. And a win non filter means the wine is not filtered. And here which we discussed is the Sauvignon Blanc grape. The grape is Sauvignon Blanc. So in this appellation the grape used is Sauvignon Blanc, and there might be different producer of Sancerre. So if you see Sancerre, that means it is from the Upper Loire, it is made by Sauvignon Blanc grape, and then there might be different producer making this appellation. Same goes with the Puy Fume, it is also from Upper Loire, and it is also made from the Sauvignon Blanc grape. It is another wine which is very famous, and it is also a light refreshing wines which is made in the Upper Loire. Now we go down to the Middle Loire. Middle Loire is, there are Anjou-Saumur and Touraine. There are two more important areas. So from Anjou-Saumur we have the Savigny. Savigny is made from the Chenin Blanc grape, and it is very light, crispy, and a very famous wine which is made in this region from Anjou-Saumur. Now from the Middle Loire, another wine that is we have Rosé d'Anjou. This rosé is so famous, most of the wine list will have this rosé wine. And so this is the Rosé d'Anjou, which comes from the Anjou-Saumur. Here we have the Touraine. Touraine is made from Chenin Blanc, and this is the Vouvray. The Vouvray is also very famous. So Vouvray is made by the Chenin Blanc, and it is in different sweetness levels. So here we can see it says demi-sec. So demi-sec means it is quite sweet. So residual sugar in the wine is 32 to 50 grams per liter. So it is quite sweet, but it comes in different sweetness level. The next wine we have, that is the Muscadet Savoie Amain, and here you can see it says Surly. So it comes from the Muscadet region, and the grape which is used is the Melon de Bourgogne. And here we can see it says Surly. So Surly means on the lees, which means the wine is left with contact of yeast for several months before it is bottled. So wine pick up extra flavor and character because of living with the yeast. So these are the main wines of Lua Valley, and thank you so much for listening.